Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Misra and we are a student of class 9. Today we are gathered to talk about water pollution. Let us start with introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Umar.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanshu Singh.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Tiwari.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Misra.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani Misra. Hello everyone, my name is Iskan. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanshi Shukla.
So, now according to you, what is water pollution?
Water pollution occurs when harmful substances like chemicals, plastic and other contaminate water bodies such as lake, river, ocean and many types of causes and other causes.
Let me talk about the causes of water pollution. Industrial waste. Industrial waste is the waste that is produced from the several industries during the process of manufacturing. And sewage waste. Sewage is the term literally used for the domestic water waste. Agriculture runoff. Agriculture runoff is the main factor of the water pollution because it mixes pesticides with water. And the last is oil spill. Oil spill is the leakage of petroleum from the various ships and pipelines, which is very harmful for marine ecosystem.
Now we talk about the oil spills. How oil spills affect the water?
Oil spill affect the water by the leakage of petroleum from various ships and pipelines leakage, and it is very harmful for the marine ecosystem.
This is a cause of water pollution.
Yes.
And what about effect of water pollution, Ashutosh?
There are three major effects of water pollution. Health issue: contaminated water causes diseases like cholera, typhoid, and cancer due to harmful chemicals and bacteria. Harm to marine life: toxic waste and plastic pollution kill fishes and disrupt ecosystem and reduce oxygen level in water bodies. Economical impact: polluted water reduce tourism, fisheries, and spending of government on healthcare and treatment.
Currently you talk about marine life. What do you mean by marine life?
Marine life means water animals, seahorse, fish, etc.
Let me talk about the live example of water pollution. Live example of water pollution is the polluted water of Yamuna River. Despite government take many actions and introduce many plans, but there is no better conclusion of the Yamuna River.
According to you, which have major role in polluting the Yamuna River, the government and the various industries.
I think both are responsible. Industrial waste contaminate the water and make it poisonous, and government does not took it seriously, and people does not want to save the water.
So Priyanshi, what is solution of pollution?
Despite the fact that water covered about 71% of Earth's surface, one of the main problems we have faced today is water pollution. We can reduce water pollution and there are many solutions to solve this problem. Sometimes water is contaminated to chemicals such as oil, harmful bacteria and microorganisms. When the water is contaminated, the water quality is become very toxic. So negative effect for plant, animal and environment.
The best solution to prevent water pollution is to stop it at the solution. Fortunately, there are many solutions to reduce water pollution such as wastewater treating, disposal and water conservation.
So Vaishnavi, according to you, what is connectivity and tedious minority?
Conductivity, salinity and tedious minority are the method used to access water quality by measuring the concentration in dissolved ions in water.
So Suhani, according to you, how we prevent water pollution?
We can prevent water pollution by reducing plastic waste, dispose waste properly and conserving water. Conserving water means conserve water usefully and avoiding unnecessary waste. We can conserve water at home by taking shorter bath, fixing leaks, reuse water extra. We can also conserve water outside by collecting rainwater. So tell me, Rishka, how do we reduce plastic waste? Reduce plastic use. Avoid single plastic use like straw utensils and plastic bottles. Use reusable plastic bottles. Use the bags instead of plastic bags. Dispose of a waste properly. Dispose of a medical waste properly. Dispose of a chemical cleaner oil and non-biodegradable waste properly.
According to you, what is the conclusion of water pollution?
Yes, water pollution is a very serious global issue that should be affect health, biodiversity and economy. It is important to industries, government and individuals to take action and take responsibility and work together to keep water clean and safe. One Earth, one Chance. So save the water, save the life and save the earth. Thank you.